Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to a device. First, determine the specific connection type required, whether it's wired or wireless. Next, ensure both your primary device and the target device are fully powered on and in a discoverable state. Finally, gather any essential physical components, such as a USB cable, an HDMI cord, or confirm you have the correct wireless adapter ready for use. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Wired connections offer reliability and often faster speeds. For instance, a universal serial bus, or USB, cable is excellent for connecting peripherals like keyboards or external drives, providing both data transfer and power. High-definition multimedia interface, or HDMI, cables are perfect for transmitting high-quality audio and video from a computer to a monitor or television. For network access, an Ethernet cable ensures a stable and fast internet connection, typically supporting speeds up to 1 gigabit per second or more. Wireless connections provide convenience and flexibility. Bluetooth technology allows devices to communicate over short distances, usually up to 10 meters, ideal for headphones or speakers. Wi-Fi, on the other hand, connects your devices to a local network and the internet, often covering a much larger area. When connecting wirelessly, always double-check that you are entering the correct password or pairing code to establish a secure and successful link between your devices. If you encounter connection issues, don't worry, troubleshooting is often straightforward. A simple restart of both devices can resolve many common problems. Additionally, ensure your device drivers and firmware are up to date, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. For specific or persistent problems, always refer to your device's user manual. It contains detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips tailored to your particular model, guiding you through more complex scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.